Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell as I upload a video and you can see it first. Give me a thumbs up and a comment. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make a smoothie that can help you with your skin and make your skin clearer, and can help you with your bowel elimination, and in general help you with your health. Okay, so we're gonna start. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use a banana. I'm gonna use like one orange. I'm gonna use two apples, a green one and a red one, and I have some mango chunk and a blueberry, and I'm gonna add some turmeric powder. Okay, and alright, let's go with me. I'm gonna peel my banana. That's my banana. Okay, that's my apple. I'm gonna add my mango chunk. And I'm gonna add some blueberries. Okay. Now I'm gonna add some water. I'm gonna blend it. Add some turmeric powder. Not too much. Smoothie is ready. Okay, so I'm gonna pour it in a glass. Tastes really good. Just do it. It's good for you. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Thank you.